watch how me warm up. Watch how Batman warm up. Friday night, that's 10 to midnight. Alright, now we're there upon our warm-up team. Trust and believe. Trust and believe.
I wain't just go jump and rejoice. She said, sex without marriage and no sin. She said she don't love the condom thing. So from she clean, we have to do it skin to skin. More joy I bring. Whoa, she's a real fire hotness. She burn out all slackness. She not go bleach, she love the blackness. The black woman, she's so spotless, yeah. Sex a yacht, she got the fire sparks. Clean from head to toe, she no carry no lies. Burn again, man, no apologize. I wain't just go jump and rejoice. Sex a yacht, she got the fire sparks.
Remember, say radio still.
Don't know disease, no.
Keep it on a level.
Burn sand on me to
no. But any juggling still a go on away.
Banking youths, them go
watch it now, people.
Yeah, I'm money, them a run down. Get off your life, yeah. Money, them a run down. We catch it anywhere, skanking. Yeah, money, them a run down. Them no hurt of your life, none at all. Catch it, and money, them a run down. Fire upon your money, God, and money, Lord. Hard, money, them a run down. With day another body gonna murder. I'm money them a run down. Them no care to feed the sick nor retard. For money them suffering the little children. To go unto them. Doing all sorts to mislead them. Be unto them. Yeah. I know we no know we the Eden. I now go low unto them. Yeah. Rastafari love the people, never leave them. The good things I show unto them. Alright, I'm money no for run down. Them no care to feed the youth, them none at all. I'm money them a run down. Them drop on the face, them on a ball. I'm money them a run down. Them no care to feed the sick nor retard. Well, from a money them a run down. I win. Burn your money, got the money, Lord. Yes, enough sell out and buy out, we fly out. Yes, for justice to you, them a cry out.
People,
burn all them nasty like
just stick with me.
Yeah. Did they
going into something different? People, watch me now.
So
guilty, they got no reason.
Oh, not a radio.
It's a big people time right now. People eat every Friday. That's that Frost people day. Frost Friday. Right now.
Oh, I feel so and so. Yo, I feel so and so. When I take the reins, lead her to the dance floor. And the guys, something in your eyes, close to mine, the sea of a street.
Yup. But they are still. I should start it off and build it up again, no. Frost Friday, walk on, everything good.
Hey, way I dance with you, girl. I'm never gonna dance again. The way I dance with you, Lord knows.
Each and every Friday, people, well, what I tell you, 10 p.m., but we started a little early this evening, you know what I mean? Shout out to each and everybody rocking out a little early. We got the little early vibes bumping right now, you know what I mean? M116 for the board shop like there. Cruise, we are cruise right now to the gun. Alright, turn it up 16. Okay.
If I was to tell you just how much I need you, would you come tonight?
What about that? What about that?
Would you not believe me? Cause a love that easy never turns out right.
What about that? Bang.
I'm trying to change the rules. You deserve something good in your life.
For real.
We waited for far too long, so come get your blessings tonight. Baby, won't you come over, love, so I can show you love.
Speak to my baby girl with the sexy little attitude. Hot it up because you know so that you really rude.
You already know.
Topic, you know you
building, we building. Stick with people vibe tonight. Go already.
If I was to tell you just how much I need you, would you come tonight?
For real.
Would you not believe me? Cause a love that easy never turns out right.
My girl, when you say words like that, don't lie to me.
Change the rules, you deserve something good in your life.
That what me a talk about.
We waited for far too long, so come
work, we work, my girl. Talk the truth now.
Won't you come over, love?
Yeah.
So I can show you love.
Straight away.
Promise I got enough to give you all that you need. Bang. So many search to find.
All right, my girl, me get the memo.
It's a sign.
Me get the text. Me get the email. The response. Hear me now.
Girl, I've been waiting for the longest time just to run, come and give me
Hear me
this
now.
love. Yeah. Girl, you know that you've been on my mind. Can't sleep at night and such. Baby girl, now that you have shown me the sign for press gas and don't bother with the clutch. Hear me, girl, I'm gonna give you loving all night long. So
she says she like it, she responds back. Here I know.
Girl.
Baby, let me teach you, give you love instruction, show you what I know. We should take it easy, ain't no need to rush, no, baby, nice and slow. All this love I can give to you, I expect just a bit in return. You don't have to be perfect now, as long as you're willing to learn. Baby, won't you come over, love?
Baby girl,
so
I've been missing you. Shout out to all my wifeys, all my number one, you know what I mean? Make a rule 60, nice and easy, man.
Talk to you, but it's not the same.
Yeah.
As touching you.
Okay, and then.
And every time you whisper my name,
you know you're talking that little nice something there.
I wanna run to you.
Alright, start sing out.
We'll be together.
And then.
And it won't be long. It won't be long.
Wait, pardon my girl.
It seems like forever. Yeah. And it's hard on my own, baby, 'cause I'm missing you now.
In a real life.
And it's driving me crazy, 'cause I'm needing my baby. I'm missing you now.
Why,
Can't wait another.
we say when I play number 2 or 3. Let me tell you.
She called my name from coast to coast.
What am I say telling me that she wouldn't miss the most?
Whenever she passes by, she always finds herself with another guy. She even goes as far to say that.
No, sir, when I play second fiddle. Why?
But girl, oh girl,
I'm not a substitute lover. Oh no.
really and truly, no second fiddle. Still really and truly.
What to some boy?
She called my name from coast to coast.
What am I say telling me?
People how she means me the most. Whenever she passes by, she always finds herself with another guy. She even goes as far to say that I'm her superstar. But girl, oh girl, I'm not a substitute lover. Oh no.
Now when you're about 16.
Oh girl, don't take it for the summer.
Roll, we are rolling right now, in control. What for the girl live right now?
I wonder what the guys have said to you.
What up?
I seriously hope what they're saying is something true.
Messiah moments, everyone for the board.
Hope they tell you you've got heaven in your eyes. Saying you're a blessing wouldn't be a lie.
Okay.
And if they didn't call you sweetness, and if they didn't call you niceness, and how about sugar dumpling, then I guess they didn't tell you nothing, no. And if they didn't call you sweetness, and if they didn't call you niceness, and how about sugar dumpling, then I guess they didn't call you nothing, no. No. Brothers keep forgetting they leave their women at home. With lust in their hearts, they keep looking on and on and on and on. Guess you get something every woman's craving for. I myself wish I had you behind my door. I just don't wanna call you sweetness, I just don't wanna call you niceness. And how about sugar dumpling? Then I guess I just don't call you nothing, no. I just don't wanna call you sweetness, I just don't wanna call you niceness. How about sugar dumpling? Then I guess I just don't call you nothing, no. Wish I had you for myself. No. Hate to share you with even your mama and your dada. Can't help but want you, can't help but need you. Oh, I need you for myself. Nah. Maybe it's because I'm an African. Yes, I am. Got to feast my eyes on more.
Talk to her for me now. Talk to her, no man.
I'm not a king,
Baby girl.
oh baby, with no riches to call my own.
You should have known that.
But all I have is love to give you, girl.
True
I am
loving.
poor.
Hold it for hugging.
You don't want love, walk through that door, baby.
John, me have to broke out my piggy bank.
it's true.
Only for hugging.
You don't want love, walk through my door. Yeah.
After the girl left from way over north, come a he sick or rip and run off. When she hears say me pocket is soft, she give me an impression like she catch a draft. I shoulda know from the very first time. When you look in her eye, me see the dollar sign. And baby girl, if you just could wait, I will take you right through my love gate.
Cause I'm not a king,
my lady.
Ooh baby, with no riches to call my own.
I don't have no diamond,
and all I have is love
no ruby.
to give you, girl. I
only true loving.
You don't want love, walk through that door.
After me have her on the top of me chart, she still a plan for rip and run off. But yet still I'm a no one part. Little girl, I love you to my heart.
Yeah man. Shout out to K-Swats in the motherfucking building, baby. You know what it is, man. Nice and easy throwback, and I mean M160 for the boy. Shab like I'm here. Now what name do you remember? I want to say Shabba. Feel like we in an episode of In Living Color right now, dog. Cross Friday right now. Turn up the man, come on. Shout out to all my 80s babies, man. Y'all millennials, I don't know. They call me Mr. Lover, man.
I'm not gonna take it easy. You won't get away tonight. The vibe that's flowing through me.
You make me feel alright.
You claim so you're full of attraction. Now it's a chance to show me emotion. I've waited so long.
This is what they call reggae.
Mr. Loverman.
Shabba.
Mr. Loverman.
Shabba.
Mr. Loverman.
This guy right here won that Grammy, man. Serious thing. But they call me Mr. Lover, man. That's why you got 6. Move. This song right here got banned across at least 20 countries.
Explain yourself, baby girl. Lead out.
With it, Budner Clot. Oi, oi. H money bags in the motherfucking building, baby. What am I saying? Time to ask 16. Pull up.
Waiting too long.
Shout out to the girls remember the first time, you know what I mean?
Love, explain yourself, baby girl. Lead out.
Whether it was rough or a smooth ride. You gotta know, so remember the first time, man, bust your pipe. Lord. It's early now, people. Me not even start top my mind yet. Ready up.
You me tell it, girl flex. Time to have sex. Long time you have the road boy, you a sweet girl flex. Time to have sex. Look how long you have the road boy, you sweet.
I rather wait.
Out the patience, love it she get, that will be sufficient. I rather wait till I can't wait no more. X amount of loving hardcore me a listen. Just to hear she knock on the door. Only to touch her, me no want no more girl flex. Time to
we are six.
Look how long.
What does it respect? Good night to each and everybody locked in, you know what I mean? I go by the name of DJ Sham Black, M1 for the boards, baby.
Before she reach, I could smell her perfume. I could no wait to get her in the room.
Locked in a Frost Friday, baby, each and every Friday. Yes, the vibes are nice.
Could no wait to get her in. Feel like a surgeon. Prepare the surgery, but I hope the little girl a charge me for perjury. Action with the injection. Work it, girl according to plan, girl flex.
Time to have
sex. Look how long you have the road boy.
I wish you woulda treat me like your black. I woulda love it if you keep me from top.
Whoa.
I can still remember that it was just me and you. Suddenly, you and your crew.
Getting you guys ready for that weekend. Ladies, how you feeling? You like that one, yeah?
I wish you woulda treat me like your black.
Oh.
I woulda love it if you keep me from top.
What is it? Running and ramming.
Treat me like your yacht.
Full speed. No break. No water.
You can't stay for me like the gun.
Clear fire.
Keep your lips for me like your marijuana. I woulda love
you
it.
gotta know say like that rough something there. Okay, that one there, that one there.
You don't understand what your woman needs from her man. While you're there on the street all the time, just bear this in mind. Wow, these streets don't love you like I do. You need to know that you wanna keep your woman loving you. That you need for sure that the love we have where it takes so much effort to build. You about to blow that. But just like a played out jersey, you about to get thrown back. I wish you woulda treat me like a ounce. Me know you're not like that when you bounce. You shoulda the woman knock boots like your Timbs. Need to act older than the size of your rims. I wish you woulda stay upon me like your phone man, and never leave the house without me like your chrome man. Why I wish you woulda treat me like your whips. Your girl's a perfect 10, but your pins them are only a 5 and a 6. You don't understand what your woman needs from her man. While you're there on the street all the time, just bear this in mind. These streets don't love you like I do. You need to know that you wanna keep your woman loving you. Then you need for sure that the love we have where it takes so much effort to build. You about to blow that. But just like a played out jersey, you about to get thrown back.
Oh, what a feeling! This feeling that rude boy is feeling. I'm so lonely, so I feel like screaming. Lonely for you only. Believe me. I'm lonely for you only. Lonely, oh so lonely.
Style. Wicked out a while. All who knows the Bush Bands today on road. What you wait? I say what you gonna do.
I'm on fed up, say she not in and nothing with you. Can't see you through, me say what you gonna do.
Frost Friday style, anything goes about you. Well, what tell you? Come, get it together. What is this? Come on, boy.
Good way, not bad way, not strong umbrella. You back off in blood, make the woman feel that she flying on a concord.
Yes, me brother.
Remember me say use up cool
water.
What you gonna do to get back this daughter? I've been on me and let it just get slaughter. Now I know what on you is a lie.
I say what you gonna do?
Woman fed up, she said she not in and nothing with you. Can't see you through, me say what you gonna say. Woman pack up, she said she leaving out right away. Won't stay another day. I said,
was it something that I've done? Was it something that I said?
Was it something I go on with?
Tell me.
What I go on with?
What can I do to change your
Okay, go on.
I give you all the love and the affection that I had. My devoted attention, never cheated you back. Don't you leave a lonely man. I'll be later on the man.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Alright.
She's got something to hide.
On to the one, that one here, man.
I think she wants a climb.
Big up all the big woman. All big people.
But I keep telling her I'm too experienced to be taking for a stroll.
You take a joke thing, you take a clapping.
Someone to rock and roll. I'm too experienced to be taking for a ride. And I know it's not my foolish bride.
What time now? 10 minutes past the hour.
Of me.
10:30, I'ma talk my mind. Make this on the roll.
She always saying we were meant to be. Somehow she thought I'd be her clown. But this is what I said. I'm too experienced to be taking for a stroll. Too experienced for someone to rock and roll.
Each and every Friday, 10 to midnight.
She doesn't want me around. She's got something to hide. I think she wants a clown, someone to take for a ride. But I keep telling her I'm too experienced to be taking for a stroll. Experience for someone to rock and roll. Too experienced to be taking for a ride. And I know it's not my foolish bride.
My resistance is getting weaker. I can't stand the pressure. I can't get any weaker. I've got to find some other treasure. Is getting weaker. I can't stand the pressure. I can't get any weaker. I've got to find some other treasure. I need nothing to be a man because I was born a man and I deserve the rights to live like any other man. Oh, my mind in such a state. Sometimes it makes me sick. Sometimes I try to aid, but I just don't know the trick. I need nothing to be a man because I was born a man and I deserve the rights to live like any other man.
Thought I could live without you. Thought everything would be fine. Saw nothing special about you, but still you were plaguing my mind. I used to take you for granted. You were the last name in my life. Presently you're the most wanted at the top of my line. And it was yesterday when I saw you down the lane. You and my best friend.
Jealousy,
my heart felt the pain. And now I'm falling in love all over again. Yeah. How could I ever doubt that you were my friend? I'm falling in love all over again.
Watch this.
How could I ever doubt that you were my friend?
Berries.
Yeah.
Oh, say that big man don't cry. You never miss the water till you well run dry. Could you find it in your heart to give me one more blight? I won't abuse the situation, this time I won't lie. On my nightly conversation, also me lullaby. Fresh squeeze orange juice, and me eggs well fried. Garments well clean, from me socks to me tie. She's a friend, also a lover, that mean me not be shy. Be express myself straight up to the sky, yo. Oh, say that big man don't cry? You never miss the water till you well run dry. Me say, who say that big man don't cry?
Now I'm falling in love all over again.
It's only natural.
How could I ever doubt that you were my friend? Right now I'm falling in love all over again.
As I was saying,
how could I ever doubt that you were my friend?
Watch this. Woman, I miss all your sweet chat. I know you massage me back. It burn me have a sister and time I get that. Woman want affection. Somebody feeling pan. Through me ignorance, me never understand. I'm going to take time out to show me love motion. I make you know we can't stop, can't respond. I am the greatest lover boy in the island. More time you slip up, more time.
Now look at me at 2:45.
Yeah, man, big up the whole EG family. Man, them just stepping, kicking,
knocking.
All I think he cover.
No.
People, if you don't only know what going on in the studio right now,
I should say,
big up each and everybody we are tuning in, same way still. Madness.
All night,
every Friday. Mad.
The early, she told me, I'll be waiting for you, honey. I'll make something special for you. Now how am I going to I can't afford to wait with lipstick stains. I've got to tiptoe. Now double trouble is waiting. It's wrapped up in my bed. I'm tired, I'm sleepy, can't take the noggin in my head. Double trouble is waiting. It's wrapped up in my bed. I'm so tired, I wanna go home. Now this is my gate. Wonder if she's awake or asleep. If I know her well, she's somewhere taking a peek.
Messiah movement. Messiah movement.
When I was a little stereo, I listened to some champion. I always wonder when I will be the number one. Now you listen to the Gargan, and a Gargan sound a rain. And any jump and come test me, me a go leak out them brains, so some boy.
This mix right here, one must listen to closely. The man them now listen go. Hear that one here? Hear that one here, people? Business, just wait for it, no man. Just wait for it, people. You know I can do anything. Your face, man. So you must remember that one here, doggy. Come here, have a look a bit higher back there still. You see it. Wait them on, my God, who that the gun? Wait them on, who the thing me did done? Wait them on, my God, who that the gun? Wait them on, who the thing me did done? Wait them on, my God, who that the gun? Wait them on, who the thing.
When I was a little stereo, I listened to some champions. I always wonder when I will be the number one. Now you listen to the Gargan, and a Gargan sound a rain. And any jump and come test me, me a go leak out them brains, so some boy.
What you want? Some violent shit.
Want some frazzle shit. If you don't know about the frazzleness, then you don't